Hello everyone, I'm Shannon from Aruba to Zion Vacations, and I'm here to help you decide if the famous Slinky Dog Dash is right for you and your family on your next Walt Disney World vacation. Welcome back. So these are my two little boys, and at the time of the recording, they're 3 and 3.5 years old, and they patiently waited to get on Slinky Dog Dash. They loved every second of it. As they're waiting to patiently get on, they are looking around at the bright colors, bold, vibrant. There's lots of oversized toys to look at, and they had no problems waiting in line. I will say the line was shorter because we did opt for the option of the Lightning Lane through Genie Plus. Slinky Dog Dash is located inside Hollywood Studios, and it's located in Toy Story Land. There's all different rides and attractions that are based around Toy Story, so that's a perfect place for it. It's a family-friendly coaster. It twists and it turns. It has short little drops. It's perfect for all ages. Now, you do need to be 38 inches tall. I can tell you one of my sons was 38 and a half inches, and he had no problems at all. He absolutely loved it. He actually said, "Mommy, it tickles my belly. Can I go on again?" Actually, they both said that. And they're still talking about it 6 months later. So anyways, they absolutely loved it. You do have to be, like I said, 38 inches tall to get on it. For accessibility, you do need to be able to transfer from a wheelchair into the actual ride car. And if you're ages 7 or below, so under 7, you need to be with someone at least 14 years old in order to ride on Slinky Dog Dash. And I think that those restrictions are very fair. Like I said, it is part of the Lightning Lane entrance, which is offered through the Disney Plus. Disney Plus. Listen to me. Oh my goodness. Disney Genie Plus. Ooh, it's getting tired. Anyways, so that's my scoop. I absolutely love Slinky Dog Dash. I think it's great for multi-generational. I think that is wonderful for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm 46 years old. I love it. Absolutely love it. And I would do it over and over and over and over and over again if I didn't have to take one. So definitely go that extra step. Do the Lightning Lane through the Disney's Genie Plus, and you will get on a lot sooner. It's definitely well worth it. So if you liked that video, click like, subscribe, and ring that bell to get notified the next time I post another video. And remember, travel, explore, and make memories with Aruba to Zion Vacations. Bye for now.